Hello everyone, most of you find these AI images of mine are very interesting and you want to try it of your images. Here is how to do it. You need to open a bing.com on your desktop, or you can download Bing app on your Android phone. Once you are having bing.com, then go to images, then you will find an option to create. After going there, you need to log in with your email credentials. Once logged in, you will get 200 points on the right top corner, and you can enter the text on the search box over there. Then need to click on create. That will help you to create images. For example, I want to create an image with Instagram logo and with a jacket. Then it will create for me with AI tool. Once they are done, you can download any of the selective ones from the four of the images. So here are they. Once you find any of the interesting images, you can download them. After downloading, all you need to go and make the re-edit of that face on remaker.ai app. Click on the first link that you get after typing remaker.ai, and then you need to drop two images. One is the AI generated image, then a photo of your which has a very good straight face of yours. Once that is done, you need to click on swap. You'll get 30 images for 1 month, I guess, overall. Those are free. After that images, you need to purchase it, but hopefully you won't be using not more than 30 images a month, so you can enjoy it easily with free ones. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends who are so much into AI generated images and they want to create their photos with Instagram or WhatsApp or YouTube logos on their backdrop. So please do like and share it. Thank you. Signing off.